Let me open. Basically, what we have seen yesterday was our get all text. So see, remember this all text is always associated with img tag. It is always associated with img tag. Okay. Now, next, what we are going to look is get by text. So it is a recommended locator. Remember what I am saying. It is a recommended locator method used to find elements based on visible text. Okay, based on visible word text they contain. Okay, so the text which they contain, it is based on it. Okay, suppose I was again going to this website. If I again go to this website, okay, now if we look, let me check. So you can see there is a text given welcome to our store. Can you see that? There is a welcome to our store. So I want to check is this text a visible or not. I want to check is this text visible or not. So how can I use it? Just go over here. I am putting direct assertion. I am putting direct assertion. Here I use locator. Now I am not using locator. I am putting direct assertion. Okay. Await. Expect. Creates. Dot. That is missing. I have put it a direct assertion over here. Await page dot get text by welcome to store. Okay, so we have a text. I have put it directly on what. See, this is a text which is visible. Okay, okay. So let's run it and check it out whether it is working fine or not. Oh, sorry, sorry. I got here over here. Just a second. I just show you. Why it is showing error? I have given this command npx typescript test. Sorry, sorry, it's await. See my mistake. Okay, it is now running. Mine. I run in background. It failed. Why it failed? Let's check it out. Let me check with header also. See, this is the issue. The issue is that this text has changed. This text has changed. That is the reason. Okay, I am not clicking on the logo. This is changing the text. Okay, I am not clicking on that logo. So let me run it again. See, clicking, refreshing it, it is making it as. See now it's blocked. Okay, if I click, it will say that it is handled by some automation tool. So it is asking for robot system. Okay, so did you got to be visible? So we have checked get by text. We have checked get by text. Okay, this was our second one. Just write it out. यहाँ लिख जाना कुछ. Okay. So next one is get by rule. So what is the basic use of get by rule? Okay. See, the role can be anything. Role. Can you see my screen? If you can. Someone came. Okay, so we are looking now. The third one is which we are looking is get by rule. So this is also considered as one of the most powerful and recommended locator in Playwright. Okay. So third one is we are looking at get by rule. Okay. So what is a rule? So what is the role of an element? What is the role of an element? See, it depends. What is the role? If suppose any tag name is A, so its role is link. Remember, A tag name is always link. See, I am showing you. If you go over here, type a site, say cnn.com, go on this site. Okay, these all are links. If you inspect it, okay, if you inspect it, you will find the link as A. Okay, so all the links have tag name as A. Fine. So the role of A is link. H1, H means headings. Okay, headings are under heads. H1. Okay, so if we have tag name H1, then it is heading. Okay, for H1 tag, we can say it is a headings. Okay, the name property. Remember, we have a name properties also. If I go over rediff.com, if you go over here, sign in page, I go here, then inspect it. So we have a more properties like say name also is there. Okay, so basically we will be checking with the now the next thing we will be taking the element according to their role. Okay, so let's see an example. How can we use it? So say role can be button, role can be link, role is heading. Remember, role is get by role can be any of these. It can be button, it can be link, it can be a heading. So so now let me check over here. Let's go to our website. This one. If I open this website, so there is a register is there. You can see register, but I can say this is a link. Can you see this is a link? If I click over here, it will go to register page. This is a link. Okay, if I inspect it, so you can see register. So its name is also register. Okay, its name is also register. So how can I click on it? Let's click on register link. Okay, so let's click on register. Okay, so how can I click it? Await page dot get by role. Okay, so it is our link. Okay, I like and the link. It is our link, comma name. So name what we are having register. Okay, dot. So I am clicking on it. Okay. Now when I will go on this page, as soon as I click on the register, I will go on a register page. Okay. So now see, I am taking another role. This is an heading. This is a heading. Let's check it out. If you inspect it is under H1. Okay, and its name is also registered. So I am now I need to expect it, verify it. So how can I do it? Await expect page dot get by role. Okay, heading it is comma name colon register dot to be user. So let's verify it. It is with role we I am verifying whether it is clicking on the register button on verifying the heading or not. So let's run it. Mm-hmm. This site is not working. Problem is issue is that it is not allowing me to do any clicking and all that things. Means automation prohibited site. No issues. Let me check two, three more sites. But it is very difficult to get these things. So suppose reddit.com. So I have signed in here. So what I do over here, I launch reddit.com. Till now this is done. Okay, see what I am doing. I am launching reddit.com over here. This is the site I am launching. Okay, it is a link. Let's check it out. If you inspect it, you will find it as a link, and the name is sign in. Okay, I take it as sign in. Okay, so I am clicking over here. Sign in page will get open. Okay, let's see what is it is. Is it sign in? I am checking. So it is H2 heading. Okay, so I am just checking. It is do it has a heading as sign in available or not. Okay, save it. Let's run it. It is also redirecting on this site. You see, it worked. It worked fine. Okay, it was taking for redirection, but it worked anyhow. Okay, so just go through it once. Okay, look into it. Giving you 5 minutes for it. Oh yeah. हम्म, यहाँ तो हो गया। अब जो नेक्स्ट है वो है गेट बाय लेबल। सो लेबल क्या होता है? यहाँ अगर मैं देखूं, यहाँ मेरा लेबल क्या है, अगर अपन यहाँ चले, रेडिफाइड ही है। ओके, यहाँ क्या पासवर्ड है। ओके, सो और यहाँ अगर मैं बात करूँ तो लॉगिन है। ओके, तो ये तो रोल ले लूंगा मैं। पर अगर मानो मैं लेबल देख रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे एक बार करके देखें अपन, यहाँ पे यूजर नेम डालते हैं लेबल के बेस पे, रेडिफाइड ही। और so we will be finding the input field associated with the label, रेडिफाइड ही और email address. Let's start. So await each dot get by label. So what is the label it is having? Radified. Okay. Now I'm putting value. Fill say QA. Playwright. So I have put it this way. Fine. Now I am putting a password also. So I will be finding with password also. Await each dot get by password. Okay. Okay. I am putting these values. Right. Let's save it and run it. Let's see which is doing on it. When there is a label. Open it. Just 5 seconds. So it is not able to find. We'll check it out why it is not able to find it. Wait. It's showing timeout error. Timeout not be there. So there could be, I am feeling like that there some extra spaces are there. So I'm removing these extra spaces. So for that extra spaces, just put slash over here and slash I over here. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, I think this could be the issue. No, still issue is there. Issue is still there. This is the issue we are getting. Okay. See, label is there, but label is above one. So it is trying to put value over here. We don't have any. We can put it. We don't have any label. Okay, after it. Okay, remember, see, label is above one. It is not directly associated with it. Okay. If I put label say at the rate classmail.com, this is not the way. Mhm. But it must be label only. No, no. If you remember, we have few websites where label is already written. As soon as we put it there, it don't show anything. Let me check. Try one, two more websites. But the label concept it goes on that page and check what is the label coming over there. If I go over here, let me inspect it. I have a label over here. Copy. Wait, I am taking this label. Let's check it out. I am launching Amazon. हाँ ठीक है ठीक है हाँ, हाँ. So let me try this out of this Amazon dot it. So I'm taking this website. Okay, I'm going over in Amazon dot in. And now what I will do, I will search for label. This is the label. I think this should be the label. Search Amazon dot in, and I'm printing, filling there this. I'm just commenting this. Okay, so let's run it. See, it worked. It put it there, Playwright, QA Playwright. I have seen it. If you can see the recording also, it worked. It searched for the label. So I will run it. See it carefully. It runs. So because textbox was having that label and it ran. Now just wait. See, now Amazon will open. I am just clicking on continue. Just see. See, it put it there to a playwright and it worked fine. Okay. So this is how we can use label. Label is a text which come on a text box and all these things. Okay. In that way we can use it. Okay. Because there should be a say something like this label should be there. Label should be there. Okay. If I put over here, do it have a label? So don't have label. Okay. We can use it with something else. So this is the use of label we can use in it. Okay, please just write this program. We will learn practice many of these things. Okay. Okay. Now next is placeholder. So what is placeholder? You can see if I go in our website, say Amazon. Okay. Uh, so placeholder is a hint text. Remember. Okay. So in this search box, we have a hint text that is search amazon.in. Okay. If you inspect it, okay, so you can see a placeholder here. You can see a placeholder. So placeholder is basically a hint. Remember, is a hint. Okay, it is available over here. And placeholder is something we can call it as a temporary text. Okay, which comes before we type anything. So see here, search amazon.in is coming. So I am implementing the same thing. If we get the more sites, we will look into it. Okay, so I am implementing the same thing temporary which comes before we start typing. Okay, so I am taking the same example. So we are on Amazon.in. Now what I do, I go over here, I get the const on search box. Okay, page dot get by place holder. Take the placeholder is amazon.in. We have checked it. Okay, this is the value. Okay, over here, put it this. Okay, now let's put some value in it. So I put iPhone into it. So I go over here, await, search, dot, fill. I give iPhone over here. Okay, and I press enter. So how can we press enter? Just give like this, await, search, box, dot, press enter. I am pressing enter over here. Now I want to wait also some time. Okay, so how can we wait after this? So simple way is, so you can put a timeout over here. Just put like this, await, page dot, wait for timeout 5. I am waiting for 5 seconds. Okay, so I am waiting over for 5 seconds. So let's run it and check whether it is filling iPhone and all these things. First of all, see there is a issue on its own site. It is not our issue. We search for iPhone, it is working fine. We search for iPhone and it is working fine. Okay. Traffic was there, heavy traffic was there. And see now, guys, these sites are restricting automations. So we have to search every time new sites and give the practical examples. Okay, so write this down about get placeholder. Okay. Now, now we have a something known as get by title. So get by title. Let me check on our site. This was working fine. So I am going to our original site now. Mhm. If I inspect this Twitter icon, okay. So basically, you see, we have sometime tool. Okay, we have tooltips sometime. There is no tooltip over here. These are not tooltips. They are menus. See, we have something tooltip here. Search in. You can see we have tooltip over here. If I take over here, we have a tooltip over here. Search. Okay. So let me take it out whether this is working or not. Okay, is it visible or not? Let me check it out. So basically, what I can say that these, if I go, so get by title, this locator used to find an element as title attribute, which usually appear as a tooltip. Okay, wherever we take mouse over it. Okay, so it is the tooltips. We are finding any element with the help of tooltips. Okay, but these all are good. These are just examples for interview purpose. Okay, so let's go over here. If I am here now, we have a tooltip over here. Okay, searching. So what should I do? Let's make, so go over here, const tool search, search page get by title. What is the title of it? It is searching. Okay, so I'm taking searching. Okay, now let's check whether it is visible or not. So await, expect tool search dot to be visible. Okay, let's give a wait time of 3 seconds only. Okay, so let's run it out and see whether it is able to find this tooltip or not. No. Let me check it. What is the issue? See, I've given a spelling mistake. Okay, please check it out if you are with me. Now let me. Yes, it passed. See, it passed. It got the tooltip value and it is working fine. Okay, so get by title we verify the tooltip is working on on the basis of tooltips we verify any element. Okay, but these are rare things. These are rare things. So let's see what are all the locators we have done. Locators in Playwright. We are done with role. We are done with text. We are done with label, placeholder. Now we are only left with text ID. Okay. So we will just write this down. Then we'll look into text ID. And what the last is our test ID. Okay, see, get by test ID. See, this is something unlike ID and test we use. This might change. IDs and test can change due to redesign, but test ID is dedicated label. Remember, test ID is a dedicated label, and developer promises it does not change. It does not change. Okay, it does not change. So, I I have seen few site only. Okay, and by default, Playwright look for this attribute with data test ID. So it is like data test ID, attribute like data test ID. So if we see Amazon.in, let's check it out. Is anything like this? Okay, if I go, okay, we go to Amazon. If you see over here, so we have divisions. So data is not there. In this division, data test ID is not there. If we go over here, see these are the things which are not sometimes not available. So remember, we have one more attribute that is data test ID. Okay, I will just have a look into any website which is having this, and I will come back to you. Okay, on data test ID. Okay, till that time, just practice this program and see all the other side also how we can use it. Okay, tomorrow we will see the XPath locators also which are available in it. Fine, and I will look in any site I get this get by text ID. Okay, so I am giving you this thing. Uh, Kushali, can you give me the recording? Hello. Yeah, please give me the recording.